what time it is?
No. What time is it?
I don't know. My mother gave me this watch, but I can't tell what time it is.
Okay, so today I'm going to teach you how to tell the time.
Thank you, Molly. Let's go inside. I have a clock in the kitchen.
Okay, before we start, we need to know a couple of things. This is a clock, right?
Yes, it is.
These are its hands. The little hand shows us the hours and the big hand shows us the minutes. When the big hand is pointing to the 12, we say it's a clock. For example, now it's 2 o'clock.
Okay, I understand.
Let's try together. What time is it now?
It's 4 o'clock.
Very good, Ollie. When the big hand is pointing to the 3, we say it's 1/4 past. A quarter is 15 minutes.
Why do we say it's 1/4 past?
Because a quarter of the hour has passed. 15 minutes has passed. So, what time is it?
Now it's 1/4 past 4.
Perfect. When the big hand is pointing to the 6, we say it's 1/2 past.
Because half of the hour has passed. So, now it's 1/2 past 4. 13 minutes have passed.
Great! And finally, when the big hand is on the 9, we say it's 1/4 to.
So, now it's 1/4 to 4.
No, it isn't. It's 1/4 to 5 because it takes 15 minutes to 5.
Perfect. But what happens when the big hand isn't on the 12, the 3, the 6, or the 9?
Well, we count the minutes in 5s. So, now it's 5 past 4. It's 10 past 4. It's 1/4 past 4.
It's 20 past 4. It's 25 past 4. It's 1/2 past 4.
Wait a second. After 1/2 past, it changes. Then we count how many minutes there are before the next hour. It's 25 to 5. It's 20 to 5.
I see. It's 1/4 to 5. It's 10 to 5.
Very good, Ollie. Now, you can tell your mom what time it is.
Thank you so much, Molly. I love my new watch now.